this is Rebecca again with Digital Thinker. Previously, I demonstrated how to submit a service request from the Rapid Request mobile app. Rapid Request allows for non-EAM users to seamlessly submit and view the status of their service request. Let's take a look at how our request is displayed on the Hexagon EAM desktop application. I have an inbox set up to monitor open service requests for my organization. We can see that the recently submitted request related to the auto setting on the thermostat is listed on the call center screen. Once the request has been received, you can proceed with processing the request as you would any other service request for your organization. In my example, as the person submitting the request, I knew the equipment, but you may receive requests where the equipment is blank. This indicates that you may need to identify the correct equipment and enter the service code. So in this case, I would select the applicable service code and populate any additional information. We're going to need to send a maintenance tech to look into the issue that was reported. So I'm going to select the option to copy the remarks to the work order comments and go ahead and create a work order. In this environment, I have the call center set up to close the service request automatically when the work order is closed. Well, when the work order is closed, I would be able to see that this service request has been closed via the Rapid Request app. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Rapid Request or the call center in general, please reach out to the Digital Thinker team. We would be happy to help you determine how best to utilize service requests in Hexagon EAM. Thank you.